Welcome to Introduction to Philosophy, Module 1. This week, by the end of the week, you will be able to outline and evaluate basic deductive and inductive arguments and be able to do that in standard form. You're also going to be able to analyze Euthyphro's dilemma, including some of its implications on morality and on moral theory. In order to do this, we'll begin with you guys watching a quick 10-minute video on basic inductive and deductive arguments. This is not me presenting it, but it's as concise as I could have done myself. And as you do that, feel free to take notes as needed. Because when you read the chapter 1 and 6 of a rule book for arguments, you're going to be able to recognize the same kinds of deductive arguments that the video illustrates. Finally, by Wednesday, you should do two things. You need to post your introduction post, which is 5 points toward your grade, and you also are going to post your initial inductive and deductive arguments. I have more instructions for you on the discussion board, but that needs to begin by the end of the day on Wednesday. Then by the end of the day on Friday, and again by the end of the day on Sunday, you will need to go back and revisit your classmates' posts, commenting on them, evaluating them if they are valid and sound, and giving your classmates feedback. After Wednesday, then, you need to begin reading Plato's Euthyphro. I would imagine by Friday night you'll be pretty well done with that, and in the process you'll either be answering the reading questions as you read, or perhaps finish them sometime Friday or Saturday. As you do that, you'll want to study my written lecture on Euthyphro's dilemma and the divine command theory, applying the Euthyphro to contemporary moral philosophy. That should add some clarity to some of the questions surrounding the dilemma, and it's going to enable you to post on the dilemma better on the discussion board. Those posts should begin as you finish your readings on Friday, and they should continue throughout the weekend. So I would expect 2 posts on the Euthyphro's dilemma discussion board, one before the end of the day on Friday, and another before the end of the day on Sunday.